Alright, here you go on a journey with me. I guess I should give you some perspective. Pretty little house made in 1895 and surely has been fixed up a bit. But I opened up the doorway so we could get in there, particularly me. And here I go one day. There's our culprits. The wood from the rock, termites go up it, and we need to remove that. So we're gonna take those out. Then we got more through those holes up there. But so if you notice, this is like a 1x3 tongue groove piece. This one here next to it is a rough sawn 2x, actually it's like 2 1/4 by whatever. Now I got to disconnect that electricity, make sure it's not hot so I don't shock myself. But you start seeing the damage, and like over there, particularly right here. So we'll have to put something beside that after we clean that up. And over there you can see more of the same. See those little lines going up, burrowing up in there, eating away. All this has got to be. So what they do between March and May is they swarm and they get into all these things they eat away. I don't know a ton about termites, but I have dealt with the damage several times, many times actually. So we're here to make things better. All rough sawn wood out of a sawmill that, you know, everybody didn't care too much about. Tongue groove flooring. You see that little bit of, that's what they do. They kind of go along like that. But we'll fix it and make it better.